For those of you that if you don't understand defendant means I'm actually the plaintiff. I was the one that started or initiated the lawsuit. So the defendant, from the words, the plain words, defendant, like means to defend yourself. So if somebody takes you to court, your next line of action is to defend yourself. So that's why they call it defendant. I'm sure with that, that'll be able to stick with your head.